Hey there, it's your channel name, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that has huge implications for the future of electric vehicles and energy infrastructure. We're talking about China's rapid adoption of EV charging technology and what it means for the rest of the world. Now, I want to start with a mind-blowing fact. BYD, a Chinese car manufacturer, has developed a new battery that can give its electric models over 600 miles of range, and here's the kicker, it can be charged to 250 miles of range in just 5 minutes. Imagine that, a quick pit stop and you're back on the road, no more range anxiety. But here's the catch, this technology requires some serious charging infrastructure. We're talking megawatt charging points, which can draw as much power as a small town. BYD's system needs chargers delivering around 1.5 megawatts of electricity, and that's where China's state-directed grid investment comes into play. In contrast, Britain's electricity system is fragmented and slow to adapt. Without major upgrades, it simply can't support the power demands of ultra-fast EV charging. This is a result of the privatization of the Central Electricity Generating Board, CEGB, back in the late 80s. You see, the CEGB was an integrated organization that planned and managed the electricity network, and it worked incredibly efficiently. But privatization fragmented this system, and now Britain is struggling to keep up with the pace of EV technology. The cost of this fragmentation is significant. Household energy bills are inflated by what's known as the privatization premium, with almost a quarter of the average bill going towards corporate profits. It's a similar story with water bills in England, where nearly 30% goes to shareholder returns and debt payments, compared to just 10% for publicly owned Scottish Water. These costs are not just about the infrastructure, they're about financing and ownership. Public utilities borrowed at government rates, keeping costs down, but private firms need to reward shareholders, which increases the cost of capital. Over time, this difference adds up to billions. So, what does this all mean? Well, it's a choice between rebuilding the capacity to coordinate a modern grid or watching as innovative technologies like BYD's take off elsewhere. China has taken the right lessons from Britain's past, and it's time for other countries to learn from this example. I hope this gives you a lot to think about, and remember, when it comes to the future of energy and transportation, it's all about coordination and planning. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next video.